Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great God and great Guru, let us start our second lecture. That is the gradient of a scalar function. We say all gradient of a scalar function. What's the meaning of gradient? Change. Gradient means change. Gradient means change. Okay. Gradient of a scalar function. I mean to say, if I would say del phi is called del phi, or it is also called a gradient of phi. It is also called a gradient of phi, where phi is any scalar function. Phi is any scalar function. Phi is any scalar function. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In the last lecture, we have calculated the del of r. We have calculated del of r. I mean to say del of r is called a gradient r. Del of r is called a
Gradient r.
Gradient r. Gradient r. What is the answer? What's the answer?
R vector.
Not r. Minus r. Minus r vector by r. Minus r vector by r, which is called a r cap. Which is called a r cap. And we have also calculated of del of r is to the power n. Del of r is to the power n, which is called gradient of r is to the power n. और क्या आंसर आया था ना इसका?
Sir, n
n minus 2
r vector.
r
Vector.
okay. Now see, if we know r is to the power n, if we know the gradient of r is to the power n, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. We can automatically derive del r. We can automatically derive okay, for n is equal to 1, del of r is equal to n r 1 minus 2 into r vector. Sorry, n is 1. N is 1. This is comes out to be a
Sir, वो r vector होगा ना minus r vector होगा.
ये minus is r vector by r. That is r vector by r. Let me check it. r vector by r है ना? r vector by r है ना? देखा हमने सुबह क्या निकाला था देखना पूर्वी r vector by r निकाला था ना?
R vector by r.
r vector by r, yes. Now see, what's the answer? r vector into r is to the power minus 1, that is r vector by
R.
r vector by r. So del r is equal to r by r. For n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 2, what's the answer? For n is equal to 2. Del of r square is equal to 2 into r 2 minus 2 into 0. 2 into r is to the power 0 r vector. So answer is 2r. Because r is to the power 0 is always equal to the 1. किसी भी डिजिट की पावर 0 क्या होता है 1. x is to the power 0 1. r is to the power 0 1. ठीक है. So similarly you can also calculate for n is equal to 3. Del of r cube is equal to 3 r 3 minus 2 into r vector. So my answer is 3r into r. So you can calculate also. You can calculate also. आप इसको calculate भी कर सकते हो, derive भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? But this is a method. This is a method to check whether my answer is correct or wrong. Okay. So ultimately we can derive n number of cases. We can derive del r square, del r cube, del r 4, del r 5, del r 6, del r 100, del r 1000, del r 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. So we can derive the n number. We can derive the gradient of n number by using this formula. This formula. So this is very important. This is very important. Kindly memorize it. Kindly memorize it. इसको याद कर लीजिए, ठीक है? Kindly memorize it, or you can simply derive also. You can simply derive also. Okay, मैंने लास्ट अभी ग्रुप में शेयर भी किया था. अभी अगर आप अपना ग्रुप चेक करोगे तो ये del r square में निकाला था. देखो मैंने अभी आपके ग्रुप में डाला इसको del of r square. I have added the slide of del of r square is equal to 2r vector, in which we have completely derived the proof. हम इसका proof को derive किए, ठीक है? Now let us calculate del of 1 by r. Del of 1 by r. What is r? R is equal to x square plus y square plus z to the power 1 by 2. And what is r vector? R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zj cap. This is the story. Now I want to calculate The numerical is calculate or evaluate del of 1 by r. Del of 1 by r, which is also called a gradient of 1 by r. Which is also called a gradient of 1 by r. How would we calculate? भाई हिंदी वालों को समझ आ रहा है ना? थोड़ा इंग्लिश ज्यादा हो गई है. समझ आ रहा कि नहीं आ रहा? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
ठीक है. तो gradient of 1 by r कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? See, कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे पूरी? प्रवीश.
Sir,
See, first of all, I should know what is 1 by r. What is r? R is x square plus y square plus z square की पावर 1 by 2. What is 1 by r? 1 by r is equal to
1 over
x square plus y square plus z square की पावर minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So this is my 1 by r. This is my 1 by
r.
I want to calculate del of 1 by r. I want to calculate the gradient of 1 by r. So what should be my answer? My answer would be del of 1 by r is equal to
N.
I cap curly by curly x plus j cap curly by curly y plus k cap curly by curly z into क्या आ जाएगा? x square plus y square plus z square की पावर minus 1 by 2. What I will do? I will do simply del of 1 by r is equal to I cap curly by curly x of x square plus y square plus z square की पावर minus 1 by 2 plus
J cap.
ये देखिए ना सही कर रहा हूँ ना?
Yes sir.
Now what I will do? How can I solve the equation number 1? I will simply evaluate by parts. First I will solve this part, then this part, then
This part.
this part. Okay. I will individually separately solve. I will individually or separately solve by parts. मैं इसको by parts करूँगा. ठीक है. पहले करली बाय करली x निकाल लूँगा, फिर करली बाय करली y निकालूंगा, लास्ट में करली बाय करली z निकाल के वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूंगा, तो आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है. तो मैंने यहाँ तक इसको रब कर दिया. यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट. हाँ जी. इधर ध्यान देना. करली बाय करली x of x square plus y square plus z square की पावर minus 1 by 2. What is the formula? कौन सा formula? Primus, what is the formula of derivative?
X की power n.
d by dx of
X n.
u raised to the power n formula is
N.
n u n minus 1 into du upon dx. This is my formula. What is u? What is u?
X square.
X square plus y square.
Plus x square.
What is n?
Minus 1 by 2.
So my answer is
Minus 1.
minus 1 by 2
X square.
x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into curly by curly x of x square plus y square z square. दिख रहा है ऊपर? दिख रहा है ना?
Yes sir.
तो ये क्या आया? ये आया minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus z square की पावर minus 3 by 2. ये बन गया 2x. ये क्या बन गया? 2x. Curly by curly of x square is 2x. Curly by curly x of y square 0. Curly by curly x of z square is also 0. 2 cancel. And down. So what I have? I have a minus of x of x square plus y square plus z square की पावर 3 by 2. In the denominator, this minus 3 by 2 becomes plus 3 by 2 by using this formula. By using this formula, x raised to power minus n is equal to 1 by x raised to power n. This is a simple formula of algebra. I think this is a formula of 5th standard. है ना? कब से कर रहे हैं? 5वीं 6वीं क्लास से कर रहे हैं ना? What is this? ये क्या बन गया? ये क्या बन गया रुचि? ये क्या बन गया? This become r cube. This becomes r cube. See, r is equal to x square plus y square plus z square की पावर 1 by 2. Squaring both sides. Squaring here, so it becomes r square is equal to not squaring.
Cubing.
Cubing. Take cube both sides. Take cube both sides. So becomes r cube is equal to x square plus y square plus z square to the power 2. So this becomes minus xy r cube. Question number 2. Similarly, curly by of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus y by r cube. हो जाएगा? क्या होगा? x 2x की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? Only 2x get replaced by 2y. The rest of the things are same. Rest of the things are same. Okay. Similarly, curly by z of x square plus y square plus z square की power minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus z by r cube 4. Now I solve this part and this part. What I will do? I will simply substitute 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1. Use 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4 in equation 1. Handwriting दिख रही है ना? काफी बड़ा कर रहा हूँ।
Yes, sir.
So what I'm getting? Del of 1 by r is equal to बताना भाई minus x by r cube into y cap minus y by r cube into j cap
Minus z.
मान देख रहे हो नहीं z by r cube into k cap. What is common? Minus 1 by r cube is common. xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and this is called a r vector. This is called a r vector. So my final answer is minus r vector by
R cube.
minus r vector by r cube. Minus r vector by r cube. Del of 1 by r is equal to minus r vector by r cube. This is one answer. This is my one answer. Okay. Okay. See, I can write like this also. Minus r by r into 1 by r square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This becomes
Unit vector.
unit vector. This becomes a
Unit vector.
so my next answer is minus
R unit vector.
r cap divided by
R
r.
square.
So this is my final answer. Simply remember minus r vector by r cube or r by r is simply called a unit vector. I will write here r cap is equal to r vector by and this is called minus r cap by r square. Any doubt? समझ आई थी वालों को?
Yes, sir.
आसान है ना? देखने में क्या लग रहा है? क्या लग रहा है? बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है ना? और जब किया तो इसी तरह से now see on the same basis I have to calculate del of 1 by r square, del of 1 by r cube, del of 1 by r5. ऐसे कितने निकाल सकते हैं? n नंबर निकाल सकते हैं. del of r is to power 1000. क्यों ना मैं एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला निकालूं del of 1 by r is to power n निकाल लूं, n की वैल्यू यूज करता जाऊं, ऐसे ही मेरा आंसर आता जाए. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Now I will calculate del of 1 by r is to power n. Now we are going to calculate del of 1 by r is to power n. और n की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते जाएंगे और del of 1 by r आ जाएगा, del of 1 by r square आ जाएगा, del of 1 by r cube. कुछ कोई भी फॉर्मूला आप डिराइव कर सकते हो. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
काइंड टेक द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. पूरा बड़े में आएगा, 5 से कम नहीं आएगा. सिर्फ लिखने की देखो, अगर मैं इक्वेशन 1 को बड़ा लेके चलता तो उसमें क्या होता, गलती होने के चांसेस क्या होते हैं, ज्यादा. तो हमेशा प्रॉब्लम को अपने क्या करना है, इजी करना है, कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना है. और इजी कैसे करना है, उसको बाय पार्ट्स. सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम, ब्रेक द प्रॉब्लम इनटू पार्ट्स, ब्रेक द प्रॉब्लम इनटू पार्ट्स, देन वर्क ऑन दैट पार्ट्स, सॉल्व दैट पार्ट्स. Okay, after evaluating all the parts, after evaluating or after solving all the parts, put that values in the main equation and get the final. Get the final answer. Okay, parts को सॉल्व कीजिए, जो पार्ट्स का आंसर आया उसको फाइनल इक्वेशन में पुट कीजिए, ऐड कीजिए, आंसर आपके सामने है। तो कोई भी जो मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम है, जो फिजिक्स की प्रॉब्लम है, इट इज नॉट एज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एज वी थिंक। ओके, once we try then it becomes a quite easy, आसान हो जाती है। देखने में बड़ी मुश्किल लग रही थी, अब जो अगली प्रॉब्लम है उससे भी मुश्किल लगेगी। डेल ऑफ 1 by r raised to the power n। अब देखने में यानी पता नहीं डिनोमिनेटर में है कितना मुश्किल लग रहा है ना, पर देखोगे काफी आसान है। ठीक है, लेट अस सॉल्व। कैन यू रैप दिस? सबने कर दिया?
यस सर।
हाँ जी, प्रॉब्लम इज del of 1 by r raised to the power n, or gradient of 1 by r raised to the power n. Solve it, calculate it. तो कैसे करेंगे? What is r? x square plus y square plus z square to the power 1 by 2. What is r raised to the power n? x square plus y square plus z square to the power n by 2. ठीक है, जैसे बोलते हैं स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, क्या बोलते हैं? स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, टेकिंग nth पावर बोथ साइड्स। ओके, नाउ आई वांट 1 by r, I want 1 by r raised to the power n. What is my answer? 1 by r raised to the power n is x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus n by 2. Now this is my final. This I have to use. Let us solve it. Del of 1 by r raised to the power n is I cap curly by curly x of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus n by 2 plus j cap curly by x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus n by 2 plus k cap curly by of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus n by 2. Give me question number 1. Give me question number 1. तो काफी आसान लग रहा है ना? Now solve by parts. First this part, second, third. Okay, so curly by curly x of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus n by 2. What is u? U is x square plus y square plus z square. What is n? N is minus n by 2. N is a minus n by 2. ठीक है, so this becomes minus n by 2 x square plus y square plus z square minus n by 2 minus 1 into 2x to 2. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Now this becomes minus nx of x square plus y square plus z square. See, I will take minus common. It will become minus of n by 2 plus 1. Now I will use this formula. X is to the power n. X is to the power minus n becomes 1 by x is to the power n. Denominator में नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाती है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव हो जाती है. So this becomes minus nx by x square plus y square plus z square n by 2 plus and out. Now I will use this formula. X is to the power m into x is to the power n. It becomes x is to the power n plus. Just like this. 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 3. The answer is 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, similarly, see, this is n by 2 plus 1. This is the power n plus n. X is to the power n plus n. What I will do, I will simply break it. x square plus y square plus z square की पावर n by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square की पावर 1. z square power 1. What is this?
Rn.
R is power n. What is this?
R square.
This is r square. This is r square. If I square both sides, I'll get r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square the power 1. So this becomes minus nx by r is to power n into r square. This becomes minus x by r is to power n plus 2. This is equation number 2. This is question number 2. Now what is the answer of this equation? Minus n by upon r is to power n plus 2. What is the answer of this?
Minus
nz by r is to power n plus 2. Now I will rub this. So I will solve here. Similarly, w by of देखते हैं भाई x square plus y square plus z square power minus n by 2 is equal to what's the answer? Minus ny upon r is to power n plus 2. This is equation number 3. Similarly, w z of x square plus y square plus z square to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus nz upon r is to power n plus 2 4. Using 2, 3 and 4 in equation number 1. Okay. Use 2, 3 and 4 in equation number 1. We get. Parvesh, what is my answer? Can you guess it? Del of 1 by r is to power n. My answer is minus nx upon r is to power n plus 2 into I cap minus ny upon r is to power n plus 2 into j cap minus nz upon r is to power n plus 2. Can you write this? So what is the common? Minus n upon r is to power n plus 2 is common, and xi cap plus yj cap plus zj cap. What is this? This is r vector. This is r vector. My final answer is minus nr by r is to power n plus 2. This is my final answer. This is my final answer. Okay. Now how मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा मेरा आंसर सही है गलत है? How would I know? How would I know that my answer is correct or incorrect? See, I will calculate. I will put the value. I will use for n is equal to 1. Okay. For n is equal to 1. So what is del of 1 by r? Del of 1 by r is minus 1 r vector by r is to power 3. So this is my answer. It means my answer is correct. My answer is correct. सही है गलत है? Yes or no? Are you getting all the points? वे जोर से बोलो yes or no? Thank you. ठीक है. Yes.
इसमें यूनिट वेक्टर में कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे?
कौन सा?
ये लास्ट में
कर सकते हैं बट नीड नॉट
कर सकते हैं.
Let us solve. Let us say for n is equal to 2. For n is equal to what is del of 1 by r square? That is minus 2 into r vector divided by
r is to power 4.
this is my answer. आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं del of 1 by r square. आप मैन्युअली कैलकुलेट कीजिए del of 1 by r square. आंसर क्या आएगा? यही आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने ये सही निकाला. इसका मतलब हम इससे कितने निकाल सकते हैं?
up to n.
n वैल्यूज. We can calculate del of 1 by r raised to the power 10,000. हम इसे ये भी निकाल सकते हैं ना? Del of 1 by r raised to the power 10,000. We can calculate.
Yes, sir.
Simply put n is equal to 10,000. So here answer becomes minus 10,000 into r vector divided by r raised to the power 10,000 plus 2. That becomes 10,002. 0 0 2. सही गलत है? 10,000 में 3 जीरो होती है ना? 1 0 0 0 2. तो आप इसे n वैल्यूज निकाल सकते हो. आप इसे n वैल्यूज निकाल सकते हो. So the important formula is I am writing here. Del of 1 by r is power n is क्या फॉर्मूला है बताना मेरे को?
minus n.
n r vector by r is power n plus 2. तो ये दोनों these two formulas are the important one. These two formulas are important. These two formulas are important. Del of r is to the power n and del of 1 by r is to the power n. We have to calculate, and by using these two formulas, you can calculate n values. You can calculate the n values, and you can verify your answer. आप अपने आंसर को देख सकते हो. सही है गलत? Any doubt from this part?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.